This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maureen Vita. This beautiful welcoming home with a private covered entry offers an open floor plan with split bedrooms and a den. The kitchen is equipped with KitchenAid appliances, gas cooktop, a large island and a walk-in pantry. The den has French doors to allow lots of light to flow through to the foyer. Large walk-in closet and master bathroom with beautiful tile in shower area and double sinks. Guest bedroom has a large closet and easy access to the guest bathroom. Enjoy the beautiful preserved view from the screened-in lanai. The amenities at Azure are amazing, from the cozy gathering area as well as a library, catering kitchen, game room and the state-of-the-art fitness center all located in the community clubhouse. The community pool is large and inviting and offers a hot tub as well. There are many areas to gather around the pool, whether it is lounging in the sun or sitting under an umbrella or covered area. Be sure to take advantage of the pickleball and tennis courts. Azure at Hacienda Lakes is a gated community in a very convenient location, close to shopping, restaurants, I-75, downtown Naples 5th Avenue and 3rd Street as well as Marco Island. For more information, review the details below.